A man came to Rasulullah ﷺ and asked, Ya Rasulullah, who is the most beloved people to Allah? Rasulullah ﷺ, he said, the most beloved people to Allah are the ones who bring the most benefit to people. And then he asked, what are the most beloved deeds to Allah? Rasulullah ﷺ said, to make a Muslim happy, to remove some grief from him, and then he mentioned the third one, to pay off or forgive his debt. And he mentioned many, many more. To pay off his debt. So paying off the debt of a Muslim brother or a Muslim sister is one of the most beloved a'mal to Allah. How about I assist in achieving, or if I do myself one of these most beloved a'mal to Allah?